This smart lock supports palm VIN, face recognition, fingerprint, password, card, key. Key from here. Sorry. Key, keyhole, emergency charge. And this set into lithium battery. 1 battery, 2 battery. This is the backup battery behind this screen. Let's check. This can charge. Use your phone charger is okay. Here also have a reset button. Okay, this is inside lock. Can use this also. This is touch. From here to here, can lock and unlock. Also like this. And okay. Before you set in your information, first we need to judge the lock direction. If you lock direction, you need to change. Wake up this. And 888 press here. Now we can set the motor. 1 is motor power, 2 is motor direction, 3 is time, 4 is set the lock. Let's set the password. First we wake up this panel. Long press here. Enter the system setting. This is add master. Add master, delete master, networking setting. Add master first. We can add numbers or fingerprint. Okay, we set the master back. Okay, now we can set the users. Press 2, set the users. Add users, delete users, register face recognition, register palm VIN, delete palm VIN. We add the password. Okay, we also can set your face information or palm VIN information or card information, or you can set in. Okay, back. This is system setting. This is reset factory setting. This is information check. Okay.